And the field is set for the Ladbrokes Cox plates. Stand by for a start, and they're racing. Dalasan away fairly. Captivant out well with Call Sign Mav. Dalasan's going to boot up between them, and then came Probabeel after 100 metres. Captivant using that inside draw to lead from Call Sign Mav. Dalasan a half length away, 2.5 lengths. Mooney, who's making sure he stays off the fence, and Probabeel as a result forced 3 wide. State of Rest behind them, 3 lengths Animo, and Very Elegant is last of all, 1600 to go. Captivant the leader from Call Sign Mav. Then came Dalasan, who's 3 off the lead at the moment, 1400 metres to go. 3 lengths Mooney, then Probabeel, State of Rest, 3 lengths Animo, 2 lengths Very Elegant. Heading towards the bottom corner, and it's Captivant is going to try and lead all of the way, the 3-year-old with the lightweight. With 1200 metres to go, led out by 2 lengths at an even speed from Call Sign Mav. Dalasan is third, 1.25 Mooney. 2 lengths Probabeel, State of Rest, Animo, second last, 2.5 Very Elegant. Through halfway, 1,000 metres to run. Captivant getting a good fraction here by 1.25 Call Sign Mav. Then came Dalasan, Mooney, 1.5 Probabeel. Then State of Rest, no change. Animo second last, 2 lengths Very Elegant. To the side of the course now, 800 metres to run, and they're travelling off the rails. It's Captivant leading by a length, Call Sign Mav. Then Dalasan, Mooney, Probabeel, State of Rest, 4 off the lead as they're about to pack up. Animo's 5 off the lead. Very Elegant getting going. Captivant at the 500 metres. They're in the middle of the track. Yendall goes for the whip. Here come the runs. Mooney up around the outside. Dalasan trying to cut the corner. Then Call Sign Mav running through them. State of Rest has got the split. 300 to go, and the Irish horse sprints clear. State of Rest a length. Animo follows it through, and Very Elegant to the outside at the 200. State of Rest a neck. Animo, Very Elegant late. It's State of Rest at the 100. Animo wearing it down. State of Rest just in front of Animo. State of Rest holding on. State of Rest, I think, has just won for the Emerald Isle from Animo and Very Elegant. Then came Mooney. Next to finish, Probabeel, Dalasan, Call Sign Mav, and Captivant in a thrilling Cox plate.